homeowners think that their windows are the reason why their house feels cold and drafty in the winter and hot and humid in the summer, and they're not. I can prove it too because I tested a real house. I did an energy audit on a home where the homeowner was completely convinced that their windows were the problem. In fact, so much so they spent a fortune on 22 to replace them. But before anything was done, I ran a blower door test to measure exactly how much air was leaking through the whole house. And the result was the equivalency of 3 containers full of air, the size of a 10 by 12 bedroom with 8-foot ceilings, leaving the house every 3 minutes. Now here's where it gets super duper interesting. Before the windows were installed, we went in, we air sealed the attic and the basement. I sealed all the hidden gaps, the rim joists, light fixtures in the attic, all the places you don't see. Then I came back and I tested the house again. Air leakage dropped by 51%, cut in half, and we never touched the windows. I came back one more time after the windows went in and I did a final test. Guess how much those 22 windows improved the air leakage by? 6%. That's it. So let's think about that. Most of the air and the drafts that you feel coming into the house, the air, the energy that's leaving, it's not happening around windows. It's happening in the places that you don't see. Attics, crawl spaces, parts of the basement that are unfinished, hidden gaps in the structure that go unnoticed, sometimes literally for decades. Windows, they have a place, they look great, they improve functionality in the house. They can even make the house a lot more modern. But if you're replacing them to fix a comfort problem, you're choosing the wrong solution. If you actually want a warmer, more comfortable house, you need to focus on air sealing first. That's where the big gains are. If you want to see more real-world tests like this, where we measure what works and what doesn't, subscribe and check out the rest of my channel. Thanks for watching.